Today is Sunday the something of June, and we left the caravan park, which is only like a kilometre down the road. I can actually see it from here, and there was loads and loads and loads of cars pulled over at the side of the road, so we're like, oh, what's going on? And we've just been told that there's a, well, we can see it, it's just stopped down the road. There's a 80-metre long and 750-tonne road train about to come through, and apparently it's the biggest load in the Northern Territory. It's going to a mine site, so we're just waiting on it coming past. The guys up ahead are currently lifting up the power lines, because obviously it's not high enough that it'll touch. So yeah, I'll film it coming. Most of the escort vehicles are coming through. Got the police and just another random escort. And then got some more escort cars sitting down here. Power lines. Camera. And then when you're ready, that one. And here it's coming. Have stopped up here. Power lines have been built really high up off the ground. And it's coming. Got the police going really slowly. There's the police. Here it comes. This thing is huge. There is 3 trucks pulling this vehicle. 1, 2. Apparently it weighs 750 tons. I don't even know what it is, but holy crap, it is big. So this will be going up to a mine site somewhere. It's taken them so far 3 hours to do 10 kilometres, and apparently there is 400 wheels supporting this load. Power line guys are there just checking. It's under. Is it under? Yeah. And then off it goes. Oh, and have we got a truck at the back pushing it?
Yeah, pushing it.
That's 4 trucks to push this load. That is one big flatbed. I don't honestly know how they would even get that on there. And then more escorts at the back of it. Literally the whole road's to stop. People are just parked up at the side of the highway. It is humongous. It's 80 metres long.
Another truck to help out in case they get stuck.
And another truck just in case they get stuck. There was a truck in front as well, full of wood and sandbags in case any of the corners are too narrow and they have to build up the corners. That's the power lines going back down. And more oversized loads. And he's stopped again. Why have he stopped?
Over
exercise loads and then fully.
That's not much of a